Mamema Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded with some Kabi. Professor Jampo, Ninuanemo, Amuo University Teachers Association of Ghana, Emono. Omu de krata koma Aban no say Aban John Dramani Mahama Aban we. So man share Eddie omu welfare nsensem any some other sikabia isa Aban no tuomo on farm omo a any 30th of June omu nyina omu ko strike and the University Teachers Association of Ghana UTAG munim say mbeka ya UTAG we na nkrofo ti say Professor Jampo mu use under Akufo Addo Aban na mudie propaganda pa na enya easy. But essence say they could not under Akufo Addo assembly because you take for eba no musika assembly o salary nyama no na Akufo Addo Aban na mut na e tia no tentem nti. UTAG never went on strike because of ebia ska Aban di o mukase and say Aban di o muko say o musika biambo debi. Enti the likes of Jampo mu omo say ba na sikasem de omo nya Akufo Addo Aban no e na omo di galamsey nsensem bi ba say omo be ko strike galamsey nti ni na say na you tag there galamsey nsensem e fa omo ben no cre say water no there is life and Aban must take steps to ensure say ensure no more Ghana ha no ensure no pure and make sure say nkrofo amoye illegal mining ewo yensio mu no all of them will be brought to book. That no we standing no enye ade e ma gina so ma gina so be ma UTAG for say omo ko strike, right? But na enim say sana NDC for na omo UTAG for echi those days. In fact, we were suspecting it, but we refuse to believe. Because, I mean, these are lecturers, professors, PhD holders, masters holders. Our mucha dear were the highest institutions no or mine. That notwithstanding after NDC Babam when they started rewarding the people that has helped them to come into power, no, and I won't say, Sana, our suspicion was right. But NDC for Babam no. UTAG for they are back to square one, yes, sir. And they say, Sika welfare and sema o man negotiating Aban no say kilantia. A kilantia no. Say UTAG for say who by now say $1 no. Aban no per se purchasing power of the people be increasing. Because the purchasing power of the people increase here. Ebe affect the price of goods and services. So pricing of goods and services no cost ra. And what is Aban ebe affect inflation. Affecting inflation now. And the ebe affect foreign exchange no. Right? Exchange rate no. Ebe affect exchange rate no. Affect exchange rate now. What does John Mahama and NDC have to boast about? Nothing. And in order to make sure say on foreign exchange no CD to dollar ratio no there stable constant no they would not stop at anything nyombe to me bia no ombe and it say if it will take them not paying teachers, not paying nurses, not paying university teachers and all no omuntua all because ompese omukase and dollar to CD no 12 cedis is stable. And that has been the NDC playbook from day one. And you talk for striking the Benyako. Na minye odi for but make them say, look, la. You talk focus strike now. They will use National Labor Commission against them. National Labor Commission will go and seek injunction, will injunct the strike, to be forced back to the classroom, and nothing will be done about whatever they are requesting. That has been the playbook of the NDC. And watch it unfold. Say, Sisana, Mufami Bobrem.
The issue of Kededepon, with MPP, Mr. MPP phobia once again. Ajoboko, the attack on Kennedy Pond must cease. The Pond we the deng or cop, the spirit to cop party will film that because the base no, the moment I lose penna on this aquana, what don't know who, when they say Otibunso no, when they say on na or na on maybe poto because let me tell you something. Kennedy Pond, that you signed your political death warrant. Kennedy Pond, you signed your political death warrant. Death warrant. Political death warrant was signed. Because Oti Bonsono, on your politician, on your businessman, na yaudie muna, on muno, and our war, o political career, our building for so many years, no. Because there's no way out in our political history. Nobody can come and overtake MPP and NDC. It will never happen. Ghana, although a multi-party state, the Abatona MPP and NDC, there is no third force. Then there can never be third force unless a military take over. Because third force in therefore say nya ne balance la omo de koji sika omo de koji din chada mu nya mo mpe president di chada di ko any business oh they say odike o ton shoes o say and odike won so odike wa basa ono o fi o tu so MPP o so NDC o ko MPP a wo mo nye no NDC fu so nye no and na observer ye uhu be ojina so o nemusa. And then fit party, there are two major political parties. No, where are they? And you see, when the report, let me tell you something. NDC, MPP is a party. They have a lot of restraint because near Kennedy Paul, you don't prefer going NDC party. I can tell you to get Pambo. Emma, Yami Mobu will do so. Who they are there? NDC for the radicals. Anka, but tell them no about head. But I'm telling you. The kind of things that Kennedy Pond you are doing in MPP and the kind of threat and insults, NDC will not tolerate. But the MPP, we believe, say, yeah, respect it, party respect it, and you know, we give time, but when they do the you know, I just be predicting, I know, because the way Oti Bonso behu me, and he was trying to convince me to join the base, and I assure me, say, Ken, Beba. I thought it was at the airport. First, let me feel so diagro. Airport, let me share no. Now, I didn't come. And the way he was talking, no person rope me into the base. But I catch him say, "What would they can at trans?" Says no, Ken. But we say it's difficult. So I can say, "Meko." It's the so creative be, and he has about to create that thing, no. And the kind of they say insult I will receive, you know, how can he come back? And Ken cannot join my campaign. It's your 2 hour day. The base are no beko. The base no so at the blacka 1% komunya. And Ghana points are here no. Say NDC be winia. NDC so. NDC be lose. NDC so. Amomo no ma embu no. E wo kunta na Ghana for be show. Na opportunity for. Omunya no base mu. Because the base that has no credibility. Because for base there are people who are bitter. And there's no sense of direction. Base in intellectuals, only members. When I say Obia no base there, no feel ko be di. Unya asasa Allah did it by yellow for front. Allah no mo na catch Allah for front toy for front mama for front mama for toy. Who watch for front for no. Omuko di Allah sike die ye no. Abato no ba kra no. Na chada mo edifiti afranto. Na me wa no ofisa so onji di o. Wa ko di o thousand everybody papa no. O si we go. O si ni nemu. O ya say, "Was Allah efo." And then Allah wa tum. Inshallah unhunu. And Allah yiri so asankwa no sa yes ah. O de ni yiri na ko ni kuru akodichi. Akodichi. They say na UP was so UP ni entenka observer at TV3 and onua no kebi NDC or proposition kwa NDC omo ma no enti no NDC party no ome win a badge no so but they are losing because mama eko na kono okono se ojo iko afo so a obebo ne legacy no obebo ne Japan ne ma wonya a o ne kono ko abeba so obebo ebe mama agudi a wonya ene okofia the kakre bi a wonya no se no ka se nanado ono do wia but gadu mwe wia ma no sa na ene no mama so sa ono de onwia ba omo ye wia mu wia ma no o pe bi abesira na emu se be okwa ono so ya be chesi no o dey say you know mama is not thinking about Ghanaians anymore because 2 years now so we ye wo June you run July, August, September, a festival period. And 2027 no a election year for NDC yes. And campaign that's started. Yes. Because 2020 to Aban, mama time now so 24-hour economy aton sumu. What I say, friends, free education no a shaky like the water bill, inflation, dollar necessary aton sumu. What I say, Galamsey aye west I'm going to Galamsey no the real Galamsey the say people no mama I will protect Galamsey yes or say the party kasaka for no yeah judges adani political colors who judges some of them are in bed with the ruling government and they are doing the bidding of the ruling government judicial basa what I say the center cannot hold. That's the reality. That's the truth. What is it? That's the reality. That's the truth. You have kind of power, and people like Abitela no. Oma ko G is a Kabitela no. You bash no. So no can say you juma mama. It's a piano. And the same thing Kabitela tuno kwa sahika. And na tuno o woman o differ no to nema. We the juma come start with the juma. What's the Kabitela when you scale you for no so called MP. Who is MP? Who is Sika? Come start ko Sika. E ko MP.
And so many people no.
Yes, who say who say we you know mama has come and was settled on why you have to settle them. And I Ghana for bebre ye bre. And you know the poem
interview or great year boy was totally unnecessary. And I don't know how I'm gonna handle Mr. Kennedy Japon now. Why do we have to allow you to grant interviews? You have thrown in you as an Interior Defense Committee chairman at that time. Obienu our document is saying, Obienu obetimi aka ne kure ewo eyinim seon meboa. And you said that we have disappointed people of Ashanti. Don't retaliate, don't react to anybody. Allow ne yentra radio TV so na yen discuss sad. Ne man ko fogunu say, wona wo kan kura na say a party na aso mu na kan kura. But you don't grant interview. Jamaica what I say. You don't grant interview. See, say interview we say. I took my time, I combed all the social media, radio and television, and it is gradually, it is making Oruake the Japan unpopular, and it's like it is turning him to become a certain man. Would you listen to the interview carefully and listen to the time? He's becoming a certain man. Hey, Yetra catch us our bronye. Enkopo Oruake the Japan meboa onkopa de cho Dr. Bamia su match them no onkopa match ya kasa asiwa maka the several times abronya de me control the TV edi matem for 1 hour koka bimi ni amene na mu sebi previasa enem sem na metimi aka me sofo ya chi no tu mu me na me dis cells akoniaba no bia banda koka me na me di akoniaba because I have said this onkopa Oruake the Japan cho or the Makotra won't to me TV. No, Timatam, you have the video. Never. Abraham and BBO because Makokas on Pancho. Yes, we have said that these people should come and apologize to you because and send you over kind and yet you. And if they have decided not to apologize to you, that's all fair enough. Jamaica, what I say, it's a fair enough. It is you between you and them. That you don't have anything to do with them, not the party. And you can say your problem with Chairman Sabos, Honorable Chairman Sabos, and others, the party should suffer. Then you're not true blue man, like the people say. If you do that, because say a campaign, you will confront the Mr. Kennedy Japon side. I will label and branded and called Dr. Baumia a liar. They continue saying it, and they affirmed it deep. Say, why a liar, a potential flag bearer then. Jamaica what I say. But when we said that they should also go and apologize, have they apologized? They haven't. But Dr. Baumia creating pressure, we say, as a party, they suffer. We don't do that. When you go to the social media, the people that supported to work in the Japan, that I know, the people that we chat with, they are all angry. They are all angry and not supporting the interview that he did. Because gradually, one share a Bemana Luxu, your friend is unpopular. And it's becoming unpopular in the party. Because interview be about granted piano as a set seven previous as a settings. What the hell? Minimum galamse, you go for nine galamse. Yetia, you couldn't talk about galamse to yetia. We are fighting and looking for the people that do galamse. If you don't bring it out, name them. Let us go for them. Because we are fighting galamse in this country. And Kofu Addo Ghana Krono Ausu with him no. Let us know the people that corrupted this country. I will bring them on. Me and discuss it because we are anti-corruption crusader. Now so what the show that they be a son of a cadia. Now you are settings. It's like either you have a skeleton in your cupboard that you are protecting yourself, and maybe NDC wouldn't come for you, or you don't want Dr. Baumia to become a president at all costs. That is the beer mentality, because he said you are not better. So if you are not better there, I'll take the bitterness off. Then number two, we see. All right. You understand? So please, what do you say? As member, yeah, Professor Michael Quay report. Michael Quay report. It was revealed that Mr. Kennedy Japon should be removed from the party by two President Akufo and some other big ways. No. If they do that, the timing is wrong. And when you party back or boa party, so that suggestion was wrong. Now they have intercepted videos and audios written in the party wanted to have a press conference to show to Ghanaians, reveal it, statement and all that, right, to set as an actuality, to justify why they want to take you off from the party, to remove you from the party. Say Ghana for the reason why they want to take you and I say omit your name from the party, remove you from the party. We don't want it in this way. Okay. We want it this way. Okay. What Brahma party was statement? O county build we see Kabe rap party him Akabibia, you reserve yourself. You don't even talk. Let them say that people will fight for you. Today the grassroots that you are fighting for. You got to tell everybody else ask for this one, and no more no necessary. He should start softening his stance. Okay. It's becoming too much.
Okay, all right.